Hey travelers, if this is the first time you're watching my videos, I'm Valerie. I'm a photographer, I live in Barcelona and I love my city. So if you are in Barcelona in October, Open House 48 Hours is the event you cannot miss. Open House Barcelona is an architecture festival in Barcelona that of course lasts 48 hours. The festival is held every October, a free weekend of open doors. Open House is a simple but powerful concept showcasing outstanding architecture throughout the city free of charge. London Open House was the founder, but today you can see it in almost every city in Europe. So if you're planning to come to Barcelona and also to visit other cities in Europe, check your agendas before traveling. There are more than 200 architectural experiences to visit, so there is a program you can easily download. I leave you the link here in my description and also in my blog. And be aware that this is not only for tourists, this is for everyone, so you will also see locals around. Check beforehand the timing, because for some experiences it is necessary to book in advance, and for others it is required to queue for some time and sometimes even for hours. Do not expect to enter to all famous Barcelona buildings for free. Now, this is the only 2 days we are able to get inside the buildings that are usually close to the pub. For example, we have this building, the Arc de Triomphe, which is always closed, but during these 2 days we are able to climb it and go to the rooftop, which I find really awesome. Check the program, as I said, not only buildings but also houses and restaurants and a lot of activities for families as well. Hope you have enjoyed my video about what to do in Barcelona in October. Enjoy the weekend and see you next week.